on Mare Island, we cross over into Vallejo. Cross to Carquinez Straits via the Carquinez Bridge into Crockett. From Crockett, we travel to Port Costa, then Port Costa to Martinez for the night. Day 2, we leave Martinez, cross the Benicia Bridge into Benicia, and make our way to the old state capital. Also, in Benicia, here's the same route from a different perspective. You can see a more pronounced Mare Island in the travel path to get to the Carquinez Bridge. Up and over the bridge into Crockett. Trails leading into and out of Port Costa as we wind our way into Martinez. What a doozy! Bright and early we start day 2. Around the town of Martinez. You know, Joe DiMaggio was born here. Through the towering refineries as we make our way to the Benicia Bridge. Up and over. Now in Benicia, let's find the old state capital. And there you have it.